Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add Nexo Token in Trust Wallet. Alright, so your first step would be to open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. Once here, take note of the token's name, its price, and the image. Once you're done with that, scroll through and copy its Ethereum contract address. Once it's been copied, minimize and head over to your Trust Wallet application. Alright, so make sure your Trust Wallet application has been set up properly. Now click on the Trust Wallet and open it up. Once it's been opened, the search bar at the top of the screen, click on the search and simply type in Nexo. So type in the Nexo, and once you found the Nexo token, click on Nexo. Alright guys, so once you've clicked on the Nexo, you can use this to simply receive or send your Nexo tokens. You can use this page to receive or send your Nexo tokens. Now, in order to add this to your list of cryptocurrencies, the icon at the top right, click on this icon and simply search for Nexo. Now, once you search for Nexo, simply turn on the Ethereum Nexo so that you can receive notifications for transactions on this network or for this token. So guys, that's how you can simply add the Nexo token to your Trust Wallet. Comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to like and subscribe.